Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today we are going to be making some origami butterflies decoration. Well, I kind of done a very similar project probably about last year or so, when we fold. It's technically an origami project, but there is a little twist because we use some glue and some cutting. So keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Very exciting today because today we're going to do like a remake, but I got different ideas in my head. So a while ago I've done a video on how to make these butterflies, and in case you missed it, I will put the link down below. It's a very old video. So I wanted to show you this kit today because this kit is part of my clearance sale rack. So I have lots of new digital papers coming over to you, and I have decided some of the kit from last year and some newest kit to be discontinued because I don't really want to carry a lot of different papers. I want my website to always be up to date. So all the previous year kits that are going into sale, very cheap prices, a little gift from me to you. And so now we're going to play with this kit. See, this is called the Gold Baroque. So it's part of the mini collection. The mini collections are all these digital papers. They're part of form of 4 different papers. So this one is this is the first page. Second page with all the tags and inspiration behind this kit. And this is the reason why it's called Gold Baroque. Is all these different gold baroques motifs, and I am obsessed with gold, as you guys are aware. But the reason why this kit is going into sale, because I released this year because I want to make a bigger kit. The response for this kit has been absolutely amazing. So I got a special free Friday freebie coming on to you, having this as a background, but I made something very special. Not gonna say anymore, but yeah, watch out this Friday coming. Put a little reminder because I've got a very special free printable for you guys to enjoy. So yeah, because I'm gonna make a huge kit with this embellishment, so I decide instead of carrying 2 very similar kit, this one is gonna go and the new one, it will be bigger. Okay, so this is less than £1. So literally super cheap. So what we're gonna do with this, of course, if you want to purchase, I will put the link down below. So what I need to do with this kit, I'm going to chop it, get rid of the white bits, and then I'm going to cut it into 2 different sections. I don't really know if you can see it, but imagine there is a line going in there that split this into 2, because this is kind of like mirrored. Can you see it? So that part is mirrored. So I'm going to chop it. I'll show you in just a second. Okay, so I got my 2 pieces. For the top piece, we just need to make sure that this one here, this side is half this side, or actually this side is twice the size of that. Okay, and the reason why, because we're going to fold it in half. Okay, and then open it up, and then on this edge we're going to create like a paper boat. Okay, so we're doing it this way, and we're doing it on the other side as well. Okay, so fold it in half and then create, so you get 2 pointy bits. Okay, and now what we need to do, guys, we start from the outside. So open it up and fold it, and then we're gonna create a concertina fold. So start from that and work it all your way down. Okay, so you end up with something that looks like this. So that's the concertina fold that we did. So fold it in a half. Okay, and that is half of the butterfly. So what you need to do, keep folding there and just open up the wings, the top wings like that. So this is a really big butterflies, but you can make these butterflies as big or smaller than you want. So that is the top bit. Okay, so we're going to leave this in here for a minute. The bottom side is actually straightforward, because what you need to do, you're just going to do a concertina fold from start to finish. And now you already start wrong. So try not to rush. Okay, so I'll do you a fold and then you work your way up. Okay, so you've got a piece that looks like this. Okay, so we'll fold this in a half as well, just like that. Okay, so this is the bottom of the butterfly and that is the top. So what I need you guys to do, have a look, because I think it's this way. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but how I designed my geometric motif, that is the front, so that is the tip. So I mean, it's nothing wrong if you want to have it like that, but because of this is the tip of how the paper has been designed, I'll put this is the top wing, so it's facing upwards, and this will do that on the bottom. So just cut a string of gold, just like a gold glittery ribbon. Let's keep it all gold. Let's keep it all matchy like we like. And then what you do, you just pull those two things together. Again, I've done this, I think it was a year ago, but I thought that this paper would work so well with this sort of project, because anything geometric that you do lots of fold on is always look great. Okay, so I'm just simply these two pieces together. Okay, you just need to be a bit more patient with me, just 1 sec. Sorry, I'm concentrating. I mean, you can glue it as well, but it's not needed. Okay, and then slowly you open it up. What you can do, if you want, you can glue the bottom bit with the top bit, but again guys, is really not necessary. Okay, so now you can make this as a hanging decoration, simply creating a loop here, which I'm going to do. And then I'll chop the rest, and that is your loop. Okay, so let me get rid of these. So that is the front. Now you can leave it like that, or we can decorate it. Okay, now we made these, and I think it will be a bit too big, but I love these. So what I'm going to do, we made these on Monday last week when I showed you the Midsummer's Daydream kit, which you guys loved it. And fun enough, when I design something that I love, you guys tend to love. When it's something I'm not really sure, you guys are not sure either. Funny enough, we got the same taste. So it's bizarre, really. So yeah, so this was, remember when I made these cards here, and in case you missed it, I will put the link down below. We make tons of these cards. Wait, when I say tons, we make a few. So I use all this beautiful kit with all these butterflies. So I thought reuse this one there and to attach there, because there's a lot of blues and I want the flowers that we made as well. So where is my glue? Can't find it. Oh, there it is. Now you need to be very patient. You need to get the glue dry before you touch it. You need to promise me that. So I'm going to put loads of glue in here. When I say loads, I literally mean loads, guys, like that. And I think I'm going to do the same on the back here, because we want that to be attached completely. There. Okay, so this is what the butterfly looks when it's almost dry. Almost dry. Okay, so let me just see if I can show you the back. So the back will be slightly plain, but you need to decide if you use them as decoration, you won't be able to see it anyway. So, but they will be amazing as tags or present toppers. Do you know, if you wrap a really nice present and then just put that on top. So I think that will look really, really, really nice. Okay, so guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys like it. I mean, these butterflies are so addictive, because once you make one, you can get the base of this. It's not an origami fold, because or actually it's more like a concertina fold, put it that way. You can get the base of this butterfly, so you can decorate them as much as you want. I mean, I have used one of my favorite Stampin' Up products, which is on the floor, and I'm trying to reach it. Ooh, almost broke my shoulder. It's called Splendid Thoughts. I love this. As I said in several videos, I don't really tend to buy full price Stampin' Up products because sometimes I really cannot justify the price. This was worth it, because I treated myself. I got this a while ago, so I got the stamps and the matching dies. Okay, very rarely I do crazy buys like this, but honestly, this is something that I will use forever, and I love the flowers. And also with these matchy dies, you of course get the dies to Fusica, the floral embellishment, but also some additionals that you can create project. And this is what I've done with these ones there. Right guys, I'm going to go. Shout out today goes to the lovely Mary Beth. Mary Beth left a comment in regards, actually, funny enough, Stampin' Up. She said that I will put the Mary Beth comment here on the screen. She loves seeing me using a lot of Stampin' Up products. Well, I have a lot of Stampin' Up products and I want to use them because I really enjoy making them and using them, and create projects using my papers with other brands, because that's what I do. I love it. I love making my own papers, of course, and using them, but I love also using these other products, because otherwise it would be really boring. So, but yeah, so thank you, Mary Beth, for your lovely comment. Guys, I'm going to go. Don't forget, if you wish to purchase the Gold Baroque, is now on sale, and we're going to say goodbye to it because it's going to leave the website soon. So we'll put all the links there, and while you're there, check out the rest of the sale products, because yeah, they will be removed soon. I really hope you like it. I'm obsessed with this sort of project. I really am gonna go, because otherwise I'm gonna start talking and you will be here with me until midnight. Okay, thank you so much to everyone for the continuous love and support. It means the world to me. Thank you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big butterfly thumbs up, because it really helps the growth of the channel here on YouTube, because you tell the algorithm how wonderful I am. I will put the link somewhere here on the screen, guys, of the original project we made a long time ago, and just to give you some more inspiration and some more ideas. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.